ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णभक्ताय सद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वंशाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवी प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances to lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satsmad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhanaran Goswami Maharaj. And simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satsmad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satsmad Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So by the causeless mercy of Guru and Gauranga, now we are very nicely observing Purushottam Vrat. So again and again I remind to you who is Lord Purushottam. Purusha Uttama is Purushottama. That means who is the supreme of the person, of all the person. That means he is the supreme controller of the whole universe. Brahma, Shiva, Narada, all they are also hankering then how to receive his one foot wash. So he is called actual Bhajanandan Samsundar, he is called supreme personality of Godhead, that is called Purushottam. But according our Shastra, we also observe Purushottam means that there is three Purusham, Kardoksai, Gardoksai and Kridoksai Vishnu. And so Krishna, he's staying in Dwarkapuri, but he's feeling pang of separation from Braj and Brajvasis, residents of Braj. But he did not come in Mathura to Vrindavan or Mathura to Dwarka to Vrindavan. According to Srimad Bhagavatam, Srila Vasudev Goswami, Vasudev Goswami did not mention Krishna returned Mathura to Vrindavan or Dwarka to Vrindavan. But in other Puranas, Raghu Bhagavatam, the Sanatan Goswami Pad also explain this way. Very nice, beautiful Leela in there. Also, Vrindavan Leela Katha in there. The Krishna performs sweet Leela in Gokul. That's because his Bal Leela Charit Katha. Then after Bal Charit Katha, Krishna he performs sweet his Sakha Leela with all his friends. Ithang Satang Brahma Sukhan Huttang Dasangatang Pradaivatena Maya Sita Naradar Keno Sardhang Vijahu Kidapunna Punja. This katha also Sukdev Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj how Krishna he relished the Sakha Rash from the heart of his this, friend Subal Siddham, these things also. Then after Sakrila, then Krishna is Poganda Lila, after Poganda Lila, then Krishna he become also youth, that is Juvan, then he performed Sweet Lila, that is called Rasa Lila. And because Krishna Jate Khela Sarvottam Narlila Narabapu Tahar Sapu Sarup Gopavesh Benukar Navagrisho Natavar Naralilar Hoy Anurup. Sukdev Goswami Pad told him, Maharaj Parikshit, Krishna Jate Khela Sarvottam Narlila. Krishna he performs many leelas, but his topmost leela, that is called his human being leela. Human being leela, this is Manav leela, Manusya leela. But this Manusya leela in Braj is very important because he he has two things at a time. One is Sarvagata and Mugdhata. This is also his leela is there, Sarvagata and Mugdhata. Then Krishna he performs sweet leela and these many leelas in there. And especially he performed and Braj Gopis Ras Leela which perform Ras Leela, and because this is the perfect human being Leela. Because our Shastra also explain in this way. And Balak Stavat Kira Sakta Teutu Torun Stavat Toruni Rakta. And when small baby he is attached with his parents, then when he little bit growing up, then he attached with his friends also. And or when his youthful time coming, that's your Jovan, then he is attached with the young girls. So Krishna, this Leela also same human being Leela. Balak stavat kira sakta torun stavat toruni rakta. And so Mahaprabhu also recited one verse, and that is called what is called? जुवती नांग यथा जुनु जुवती नांग यथा जुनु जुनती जुवती यथा तथा में मनो में रमतांग तई. That means Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, how will perform bhajan and sadhan. Our bhajan and sadhan should be spontaneously, sahabik, no any artificial, no any other way. So for this regard, here this saying in this one, क्या बोले जुवती नांग जथा जुनु जुनुंचु जुवती जथा. When the youth time will come, that is Juvakal, automatically spontaneous mind attached with the young girls, and our young girls also automatically attached with the young boy. In the same way, Mahaprabhu recited this verse, and Juvati nang jatha junu jununchu juvati jatha mano obiroma me ramatang tai. Oh mind, always you will be absorbed in the same way, spontaneously. How a young boy, young girl, spontaneously attached to each others, and in the same way, my mind should be in spontaneous to absorb with Krishna consciousness. So now in the Krishna in the in Krishna Lila also is saying this way, and Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in Chaitanya Charitamrita also explain, Koisor Baya Safal Koilo Kam Kida Rangi. Krishna for successful his youthful pastimes with the transcendental and lusty pastimes with Krishna, with gopis. And gopis Kam Kida Rangi. But here is the gopis Kam Kida means that is called Prema Kida. Because Premaiva Gopa Ramana Kamaiva Mitabhi Dhyate. Gopis lust, that is called transcendental divine love. Or Gopi transcendental love, that is called lust. So Premaiva Gopa Ramana Kami Mitabhi Dhyate. Gopis and Krishna that come Kida as like human being, but that is called transcendental. So for this regard, Sukdev Parikshit, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in Chaitanya Charitamrita explain this way, the, the Krishna, he performed his youthful time and with gopis and performed sweet many earnest times with them. And because gopis so kam kida safal koilo gopigan sange. So after this lila, there is called gopis and Krishnas. There are many kinds of sweet aromas pastimes, and as like Bangsi Chori and Nauka Bilas, water sporting, boat sporting, and different also Rasa Lila, Noisa Lila. Noisa Lila means that is called nighttime sweet pastimes. And this is also explained in our Granthas, Govinda Lilamrit Grantha and Sri Krishna Bhavanamrit Grantha. And Srimad Bhagavatam, also Sukdev Goswami, and very briefly also explain this Naisa Lila. Naisa Lila means Ratrikani Lila, night pastimes also. So, and especially Krishna, he performed that Lila, there is a Rasa Lila. Ras Lila and perform Ras Lila with the gopis. Then gopis, they completely absorbed with Krishna's, with sweet amorous pastimes. Then after Krishna, he also left Vrindavan to Mathura. Actually, here he also yesterday in my previous class also explained Vrindavan Krishna. He does not go out one step from Vrindavan. Vrindavan Prittajam Pad Mekam Nagachati. His expansion, that is called Prakash, that is called Darkadhish, Mathuradhish Krishna, and or Darkadhish Krishna, they also left in that place and staying in there. Because when Akrura, he brought Krishna Balram to Nandagaon to Mathura on the border of Nandagaon, on the border of Mathura and Vrindavan, then Mathuradhish Krishna, he seated on the chariot of Akrura, and Vrindavan Krishna, original Vrindavan Krishna, he disappeared in that place and he's staying invisible, Adishya Rupa, in Vrindavan. So in the same way, Srimati Radhika, Vishwananandini Srimati Radhika, she also was staying with Krishna invisible in Vrindavan, अप्रकट रूप में तो नहीं रहने लगे, प्रेम विलास आदि करने लगे. So now coming in this way, Krishna's then Vrindavan Lila, then after Vrindavan Lila, Krishna's Mathura Lila, Krishna came in Mathura and he killed Kamsa, and then he killed many demons. Then he Jarasandha again he attacked Mathurapuri. Then Krishna, he took all the residents of Mathura and brought them in Dwaraka, and by Vishwakarma he also arranged very nice, beautiful that the palace that is called Dwarakapuri in the ocean. And then Krishna performed also sweet lila in Dwarakapuri, and he married with 1608 queens are also there. And actually those queens were staying, they were also kidnapped by the Narakasur. And then Krishna also married with them, and then in this way, and 1600 16,100 and 8, that is called, they are coming, actually they are manifestation from Lalita Vishakha, they are coming from Braj. In this way, Garga Samhita and different Puranas also mention this way. And then Krishna performs sweet lila in Dwarakapuri as a human being lila, and human being lila, that is Grihastha Jivan. So for this regard, our Raghunath Das Goswami explained Vaikuntha Janito Vara Daravatta Jatra Khelati Prabhu Sodara Atmaja Brita. And that means Dwarakapuri is higher than Mathura. Higher Vaikuntha, am I wrong? Dwarakapuri is higher than Vaikuntha Dham, because Vaikuntha there are no any sons and daughters, but in Dwarakapuri Many sons and daughters are there, and Krishna also performs sweet lila with them. Many queens, and all they are very beautiful and attractive. Uddama, Bhava, Pisuno, Malvulgu Hasa, Vidava, Lokanam, and Sukdev Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj, they have all the queens of Dwarka. They are very beautiful, attractive, and how they have many kinds of their sentiments. And once Kamadeva, material Kamdev, Jari Kamdev, he came in Dwarkapuri. Just he saw the beauty of the queens of Dwarka, then he also fainted and he left his bow and arrow. But same queens of Dwarka, they cannot conquer the heart of Krishna. Yeah, so the Uddama, Bhava, Pisuno, Malbulgu, Hasa, Vidavalokanam. And so, but Gopis in Vrindavan, how they conquer the heart of Krishna. And just Srimati Radhika with her sidelong glance. And then Krishna completely fainted. And this sloka also Srila Prabhupada Saraswati mentioned in his Grantha also is there. And so now coming in this way, Krishna performs sweet lila in Dwarka also. And then after Dwarka lila, the Dwarka two lilas also Sukdev Goswami Pad explained, that is called the what lila? Indrajalik lila. And sometimes also Bhakti Mosa lila and क्या बोले Moisal Lila and also Mohisi Haran Lila. And you read Srimad Bhagavatam, these two Lilas also, that is called the Indrajalik Lila. Indrajalik Lila means that is not the true. Just also, and as like magician, they are showing to the magic and or some kinds of this. This what this Lila, this Lila is called Indrajalik Lila. And understand this level. ये मूसल लीला था ये how ये Sambha he also disguised with one pregnant lady and this lila is coming, then Durvasa Rishi gave curse and this katha, and then all his dynasty will be destroyed. This is called this lila is called when Mousal lila katha and Indrajalik lila. Or another when Krishna departed from this material world, then Arjun, he also brought all the queens, Dwarka to Hastinapur, and in the middle, and some also Gopas or Ahir, they also kidnapped all the queens. But Arjun could not, and to defeat to them, nothing this thing. So this lila, Mohisi Haran lila, and Mosal Lila, that is called Indra Jalik Lila also. This is called Indra Jalik Lila. So now coming this, then Krishna also departed from this material world. Actual Krishna, he took all his associates, Parikar, and attained to his dham. And because this Lila is finished, Srimad Bhagavatam manifested this Lila also. Now coming in this way, but Srila Rupa Goswami Pad in his Grantha, Laghu Bhagavata Grantha also explained in Krishna, and after Dwarka Lila, Krishna also again he returned back to Mathura and he also killed Dantavakra. After killing Dantavakra, Krishna he crossed the Jumna and came in Vrindavan and met with the gopis, and he took all the gopis in Golok Vrindavan. This Laghu Bhagavatamritam Srila Rupa Goswami Pad explained. Maybe all these lila different kalpa bhedesu hari katha, because different kalpas, different times this kalpas also going in this way. So we have no doubts, because Shastra saying this way, how possible we will say, how possible you cannot and ask any question, cannot ask any question. So now coming in this way, our Purushottam Vrat, actual we are discussing these things. Krishna is staying in Mathura, and he feeling pang of separation from Brajavasis. And but in Mathura there are no any person Krishna open his heart. Why? Because Mathuravasis and Vrindavanvasis they are far. Their mood is different. One is called Oishcharya Marga, and another is called Madhurja Marga. Those who are devotees of Vrindavan, they are called Madhurja Marga, mood of sweetness. Those are devotees of Mathura or Dwarka, their mood is called Oishcharya Marga, and mood of opulence. So now our Goswami is explained in this way. Krishna cannot explain his heart in Mathura or Dwarka in front of the devotees because they cannot understand and the what is the real frame of the Brajavasis towards Krishna. And so for this regard, Krishna he did not say anything in this way. But finally, Krishna also and sent his friend Uddhav Mathura to Vrindavan, Gachoddam Brajesu Mang Pratima Pratibhavo, Mad Vyonang Gopi Gopinang, Mad Sandesukoi Vimorchaya. And this sloka also Sukadeva Goswami Pad explained this way. Uddhav, a Krishna sent Uddhav to Mathura to Vrindavan, but Uddhav mission completely failed. Because when Uddhav came, and then he saw how Brajavasis, and especially Nanda, Jasoda, Subal, Siddham, and Gopis, Srimati, Radhikas, how they are Mahabhav, and what kinds of their prem. And Uddhav, he is the disciple of Brihaspati. He learned all Shastra, this is true. But he did not learn the Prema Shastra. What is the Prem? Highest Prem. Uddhav, he did not learn this Prem Shastra. So Krishna sent to Uddhav for this reason. The Uddhav have to go Vrindavan and admitted in the University of Prem College of Gopis. And then he will be learn something. And when Uddhav returned back and to learn all the Prem Tattva of the Gopis, then Krishna will be also will talk with him. But Uddhav, when he came in Vrindavan, then in his oral test, Uddhav completely failed. For this regard, our Gaur Govinda Goswami Maharaj also explained Uddhav mission completely failed because Uddhav could not take the admission in the college of Vrindavan Prem College and in Gopis Prem College. But anyhow, when Uddhav he came in Vrindavan and he saw how Vrindavan Vasis, they are love and affection with Krishna. Then Uddhav again and again bow down his forehead, lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, how he will be get the foot dust of Srimati Radhika. For this regard, 6 slokas he also recited the verse Asamo Charnarunu Jusamam Sam Vrindavane Kimupi Gulumalato Chidnam Jad Dustaja Sajana Arja Pathancha Hitva Dhejur Mukunda Padavi Shruti Bimigam. So in this way, Bande Nanda Brajasinang Padarnu Avikshnasa Jasang Haru Kathogito Punati Bhuvanatram. Even not only this, Uddhav he was staying about 3 masa. And some Shastra also explain Uddhav he was staying in Braj 3 months. Or some Shastra also explain Uddhav he was staying in Braj about 10 months. Dasa masa, 10 months. And anyhow, Kalpavedisu Harikatha again. And so Uddhav 10 months he was staying in Braj. And he saw Brajavasis, how they have love and affection. And he saw all the Krishna's pastimes of the places, Krishna, Lila, Krida Bhumi, and Brajavasis. And after 10 months, when Uddhav, he had to return back to Mathura, that time, how Brajavasis, they also felt pang of separation from also Uddhav. And also they also cried. And then also our Shastra also explain and different devotees, Brajavasis, they also sent eh, different their what you call presentation eh, for Krishna. And this Gopal Champu Grantha Srila Jiv Goswami Pad explained this way, and also Ananda Vrindavan and another that Grantha also explained this way, and Sakhas they also send different and of Chitra. Chitra means and art, and also peacock feathers and different also Banaful Mala, and this those are the mood of Vatsalya Bhav, Matri Bhav Sampanna, and such a Mother Jasoda and others, their mood, they also say many kinds of and sweet milk products as like paneer and different kinds of and foods in this way. And gopis they also send some and things, and that's called they gave some different art and symbolic art. Eh? Only Krishna can understand that the art different. They wrote in different art Shilpakala. That is called and they also art on the paper or art on the and cloth and different in this way. Only Krishna may understand, and that is the meaning of this way. So Uddhav, when he came, when he was coming from Vrindavan to Mathura, then Krishna, then Uddhav last he also finally met with Srimati Radhika. And Uddhav very humble asked to Srimati Radhika, "Hey Srimati Radhike, and hey Mahabhavavati, and hey, I I was in here with you 10 months. Since 10 months I am with you in this Braj, but now I have to go back to Mathura. But what message will I give to Krishna?" Eh, that time Srimati Radhika very humble. He told, "Hey Uddhav, listen very carefully. What message will you give to our beloved Krishna? You have seen our separation mood. You've seen our Braj, all the separation of Viraha Dasa. This is true. Because our and Acharyas wrote in Mayura Nachata Kokila Na Bolata. When Krishna left from Vrindavan, and that day the quail means the cuckoo birds, they are not singing. Peacocks, they are not and dancing. They are not also spreading their and what is called the tails. Not and Mayura na nachata kokala na boluto. And Jamuna Devi, now she is completely dry. And Jamuna Devi completely dry and just only few waters in Jamuna and flowing in this way. And all the trees of Vrindavan completely dry. And you have seen these things, and how Brajavasis they are crying, even the cows, how they are crying and shedding tears, Subal Shidam, and how they are crying, and especially in Bangsi Bhat, nearby Bhandir Bhat, Bangsi Bhat, how and Srimati Radhika's brother Shidam, and Shidam Bhat or Bangsi Bhat, and Shidam how he was crying, and and this, so in this way, even our Goswami also wrote one verse in this way. Are brajer kanahi braje chalo din duye ker mata brajer kanahi braje chalo din duye ker mata Shidam kande Sudam kande kanche abhirata O brajer kanahi braje chalo din duye ker mata. Hey Brajer Krishna, you are belongs to Braj. Why are you staying in Mathura or Dwarkapuri? So saying Brajer Kanai Braje Chalo Din Dueke Mato. Just to come only for 2 days or 3 days. And because all the Brajavasis they are crying for you. And so saying Brajer Kanai Braje Chalo Din Dueke Mato. Sudam Kande, Kanche Abhirata. Hey Braj Krishna, listen. And for your separation, Subal Sudam, how they are crying for you. Please come in Braj. Only for 2 days. then you may again return back. And হারিয়ে গেছে ব্রজের কানাই তারাবতীর দেশে, হারিয়ে গেছে ব্রজের কানাই তারাবতীর দেশে, আর ব্রজ গোপী কেঁদে আকুল নয়ন জলে ভাসে। One Vaishnava poet, his name is Kavi Shekhar. Kavi Shekhar, he also sang this song, যে হারিয়ে গেছে ব্রজের কানাই দ্বারাবতীর দেশে। That means Krishna, who was the belongs to Braj, now he is completely also what? And completely he also what is called? Staying in Dharavati, no one can find out where is he. So then Braj হারিয়ে গেছে ব্রজের কানাই দ্বারাবতীর দেশে, ব্রজ গোপী কেন্দ্রে আকুল নয়ন জলে ভাসে। And all Braj gopis, they are crying, and Braj is completely full of blood, full of flood and banna. And so because Braj gopis, day and night crying and crying, so much tears rolling down from their eyes. For this regard, Braj completely flooded. And Jomuna river, and now is also full of the tears of the gopis. Say Krishna in Vrindavan, just you come only for 2 days or 1 day and see the scene of Braj. Then Krishna told, yeah, how possible I will go to Vrindavan? And because before I was cowherd boy, now I am king of Muthradis or Daradadhish. So my habit and already finished. Before I was herding the cows, but now I cannot do anything. So maybe my feet will be full of dust. So how possible I will go there? Then in this verse also explain, don't worry, you come, Braja Gopis, they will and clean your feet with their tears. And then Krishna also told, that you are saying Braj is completely full of what is called flood. So how can I cross the Jomuna, Mathura to Vrindavan? That time in this song, Padakarta explained, Braja Gopis, they that means Braja Gopis, they will be very nice, beautiful boat and on their body. So you can also cross the Jomuna with the bodies of gopis. Gopis, Deharupi Vela. Deharupi Vela means gopis body is as like boat. So you cross this in this way. So there are so many kirtans also explained this way. That means Krishna always he is feeling in separation and remembering Brajavasis, how Brajavasis, they have love and affection with Krishna. Because in this way, now coming in the subject matter, also I also explain, when Krishna, when Uddhav, he asked to Srimati Radhika, what message I will give to your beloved Krishna? Then Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Uddhav, I know you are always speak the truth, you never tell lie, but I tell you honestly one thing. And you told first day that Krishna, he is feeling tangled separation from us, and he is crying day and night, crying for us. But still we are living in this body, and we are keeping our life here in this body. But we know the heart of our beloved Krishna, our beloved heart Krishna is very soft. If you say, the Braj Gopis, they are crying, they are about to die, then Krishna cannot tolerate. Maybe Krishna will leave his body. So hey Uddhav, Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Uddhav, don't tell to Krishna, the Braj Gopis, they are feeling separation or crying for you. But I know you are honest, and if you say honestly everything what you have seen your own eyes. So I tell you one thing, you tell all this Braj Katha and separation of Braj Katha to your bosom friend Krishna, not one day. eh, and when you speak something of Braj separation mood, when you notice Krishna's heart completely melted, tears coming down, then you change another katha, sometimes laughing, joking katha this way. Eh, Then another day, and again you also speak Brajvasis, their separation mood. In this way, day by day, one by one day, you can speak our this Braj Katha. Our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad give an example. If your cloth is very old cloth, old cloth, if old cloth wet with water, so how will you take out the water from the old cloth? Eh, if you take the water, if you take the water from the old cloth at a time, if you what is called eh, crease, then that the cloth will be completely what and फट जाएगा. The cloth will be torn up everything. So how will take out this water from the old cloth? And very slowly, and slowly, you can also change. That is called what is called. In this way, you can take out little. And because our beloved Krishna, his heart is very soft, and he cannot tolerate. And if you tell our separation mood, and hey Krishna, hey Uddhav, and this is my and lust and prayer to you. And maybe you can say, oh, Braj Gopis, they are very happy, they are dancing, singing, they are playing, they almost forget to you. You may say this, but I think you cannot say this word because you are very bosom friend, because bosom friend cannot tell lie in front of his bosom friend. So you can tell all these our katha, not one day. And, and in this way, Srimati Radhika, she cried and he also wrote one letter to Krishna. But what letter did he write? No one can understand. And just the water, just the letter, the paper full of tears, and Lalita Devi bind this letter with the what is called silken thread and offered to Uddhav, and Uddhav he gave to Krishna. Uddhav he opened Krishna he opened that the letter, and Krishna realized that what Srimati Radhika wrote in her letter, because Krishna and Srimati Radhika only they knew that what is the meaning of this letter and what did he write. No one can understand these things all this way. But but Uddhav he told, hey Krishna, I saw Krishna Srimati Radhika, she is completely is what and what is it called madness and Dibbo Dasa. And sometimes Srimati Radhika, when she saw the cloud ever fresh rain cloud, that he is Krishna. And मेघो पाने देखी दौड़ी आकाशे दौड़ी वारी चाय. And one Vaishnav Bengal poet also written, when the rain cloud coming in the sky, that time Srimati Radhika sitting Krishna is over her head. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika she is flying, try to fly to catch the rain cloud. And in this way, sometimes Srimati Radhika she embraced the blackish Tamal Vriksha, thinking this is Krishna. And sometimes she also crying Hara, Ha Krishna, Ha Krishna, Ha Krishna, and rolling on the ground in this way. So Uddhav, when he returned back in Mathura, and day by day, slowly, and he also spoke all Brajavasis, how they have love and affection with Krishna, and what kinds of their separation mood in their heart. And especially when Uddhav talked about Srimati Radhika's Prem Katha, Prem Lila Kahini, and that time Uddhav and Krishna, both they also cried, and they can, and sometimes Uddhav cannot speak. Uddhav just crying and crying and crying. and Uddhava and Krishna, both they also and crying, and in this way Uddhav and Krishna in that. Actual Purushottam Vrat means how we'll feel separation from Braj and Brajavasis. Actually, this is the main thing. The first is regard Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He was staying in Jagannath Puri and Gambhira, and he was all these katha also listened from Sarup Damodar, Rai Ramananda, separation mood, and crying and crying. So for this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I am Radha, now my beloved Krishna left me. And so Krishna, that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Srimati Radhika recited this verse of Krishna, Sikibincha Mole. Here is the Krishna who always keeps the peacock feather on his uh, head. Here is the Krishna. And day and night he was crying and crying. So that means Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he felt pang of separation from Krishna. Krishna Viraha Vidur Radha. Or Jagannath Dev in Jagannath Puri Purushottam Jagannath Khetra, and he is crying for Srimati Radhika, that is called Radha Vidoha Vidur Krishna. That means Krishna he is feeling pang of separation from Srimati Radhika. And so Gaur Govinda Goswami Maharaj in his embarkment of separation very clearly explained this philosophy, how that is called Purushottam Khetra, but they have the full of separation, viraha. And actually, this is also in the same viraha in Kurukshetra when Krishna met with gopis and gopis they met with Brajavasis, they feeling separation in the same separation mood in there. So Purushottam Prat means always you will feel separation from Srimati Radhika and gopis, and every day you have to recite Gopi Geet and Brahmar Geet if possible. Jayati te odhikang janamana braja sarat indira shashtrahi daita dikchatang dikchuta bhaka toidhita sava twang vichinnati. In this way, you have to feeling separation from Krishna, Gopi Geet, and also and you have time, then or you have feel these things, then you may also recite that the verse of what is called Brahmar Geet, and the how Srimati Radhika, she also feeling pang of separation from Krishna, and that is called transcendental madness, Dibba Unmadasa. And Madhu Kitabam श्लोक Madhupakitva Bando Ma Pisrangi. These slokas you can also recite these verbs, because this is separation mood. Without separation mood, you cannot attend to Krishna. Purushottam Vrat actual means is what? Always feeling separation mood, but viraha. Gurudev, one class, he also explained actual Purushottam Vrat means how to feel separation and mode of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu or Kartik Vrat. That is also actual the most of the meeting lila is there. And how Radha Krishna meeting together, that is called Radha Damodar or Jasoda Damodar. Most of the meeting lila is there. But in Purushottam Khetra, Purushottam Lila, that is most of the Birha Lila. And you have to feeling separation and these things. So Purushottam Vrat, in this way you can observe Purushottam Vrat day and night, also especially two slokas. You have to sing Gopi Geet and Brahmar Geet, and this is very important. And also last you can sing also how Lord Jagannath, and that means Krishna will be returned back his consciousness. And if anybody sing this song, what is it called? Sita Kamala Kocha Mandala Rita Kundala He कलिता ललिता बनमाल जय जय देव हरे जय जय देव हरे जय जय देव हरे राधे कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल नंद दुलाल जसोदा दुलाल जय जय देव हरे जय जय देव हरे जय जय देव हरे राधे कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल नंद दुलाल जसोदा दुलाल जय जय देव हरे जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय राधे जय कृष्ण निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय. So in this way, very humbly request to you, in this way you also observe and to Purushottam Vrat in our Mathura Math also we are doing this way and especially when Thakurji is going to sleep, that is called San Arati and understand night time all brahmacharis or you are praying together taking one ghee lamp also singing this Mangal Gitam Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Govinda Gopal Nanda Dulal Jasoda Dulal Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. Because our Shastras explain the without this Git, what Git? Mangal Git and Jadev Goswami's Git Govindam and Krishna, Purushottam Krishna, he will not take rest. His sleep will not come in. For this, still this tradition is going on Jagannath Puri and about 8 and 11 or 11:30 and sometimes the Devdasis, the young girls, they are coming in front of Lord Jagannath and with very nice beautiful dress and they will so dancing, singing this song Mangal Gitam. Jaya Jaya Devo Hare. Then Lord Jagannath is calm and quiet and he takes sleep this way. This is our actual tradition. How we will proper way to observe the Purushottam Vrat and in this way remembering Krishna's sweet times, Lila especially separation mood. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught to us, if separation mood is coming, then automatically what? All the what is called meeting lila automatically manifested in your heart because nabina viplambena sambhoga pusti masnute. Without separation meeting will not nourishment. So for this regard our Gaudiya Vaishnavas they are following the path of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nanangala Sudharya Badanangada Ruddha Gira Pularko Nityam Bapu Kadatva Nama Grahane Bhavishyati. And Nam Grahan and taking chanting holy names and crying and tears rolling down from your eyes and remember these pastimes. Then this is the process. And Purushottam Vrat means always remember how we will feel separation, how Krishna is feeling separation from Brajavasis. And in this separation, all the meeting lila is coming. Maybe next time we also discuss about how Viraha, Milan and Viraha. And Manchaguru Kripa Sindhu Vacha Paritanang Pavane Bho Vaishnave Bho Namo Namo Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Sivasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ramo Rama Rama Hare Hare. Thank you for your kindness. And every day I try to more and more glorification of Purushottam Vrat and separation mood. Actually, Purushottam Vrat means separation mood. Kartik Vrat, actual mood, that is called mood is more, meeting mood is there. And many Krishna's Lila Katha and Krishna's many, those separation mood there, but most of the mood that is called meeting mood. But in Purushottam Vrat, but Purushottam Lila, as well most of the separation, feeling separation. Because sadhak, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught to us, the sadhak always feel separation from Krishna. Kaha मोर परनाथ मुरली बदन, कहाँ जाऊं कहाँ पाऊं ब्रजेंद्र नंदन, कहाँ रे कही वो दुख के जाने मोर दुख, ब्रजेंद्र नंदन बिना हटे मोर दुख. And where will go? Where and how can you tell to anyone my and open my heart? Where I will meet with my beloved Krishna. So in this way, separation mood day and night. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, most of the Chaitanya most of the separation mood he explained in there. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Lila and Krishna Lila both are same. Gaura Govinda Lila Sune Gale Sila, Tate Mor Na Hoilo Chit. Krishnadas Kaviraj भकत माँ जिहो कैलो चैतन्य चरित गौर गोविंद लीला सुने गले शिला ताते मोर ना हुई लचित. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, how is very magnificent and magnanimous, he manifested Gaur Lila and Govinda Lila Katha. That means Krishna Lila and Mahaprabhu's Lila Katha. And this also very nice, beautiful Gaura Govinda Lila Sune Gale Sila. If anybody listen Gaura Lila Katha or Krishna Lila Katha, heart will be automatically melted. Even one's heart is stone as like stone. Pasan's Hriday. Pasan Hriday, understand? One's heart is as like stone. Even you listen Gaura Lila Katha, and his heart will be melted. Jahar Dura Darsane and Krishna Prem, how feeling? How Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called the embodiment of munificent and magnanimous. One who saw to Lord Chaitanya very far away, then his heart also melted and Krishna Prem manifested in his heart. Chaitanya Charitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained this way. So Purushottam Lila, this way, and how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Gambhira and day and night remembering these things. While Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Jagannath Puri. And externally he told his mother, hey, I will not go anywhere and I will stay in Jagannath Puri. Actually, while Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Jagannath Puri. Actually, this is the main thing, how we will feel kind of separation from Vrindavan and Vrindavan Basis. So, Gaur Lila and Govinda Lila Katha and Sri Krishna Bhavnamrit and Govinda Lila Mrit Katha and also Chaitanya Charit Katha, only remember Vancha Vipa Sindhu Vivacha Paditanang Pavane Bho Vaishnavi Bho Namo. Jai Shri Gurudev Ki Jai, Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Thank you for your kindness. I will not take too much time. Again, my Hindi class will start. Then also just Friday, Saturday and Sunday, Bhagavad Saptaha will be start 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. So I will check if possible Zoom class what time will give or not, because time is very short. But later will be declared, because I am always hankering to speak Hari Katha. Understand? I am not Maya to speak Hari Katha. I am always hankering to speak Hari Katha, but it's possible or not, then we will check the time, how is it possible. If possible, I must give class, Zoom class, and this time, but I would so here we will arrange in because this Purushottam Mass, in Purushottam Mass, in our temple, Mathura temple, also after one Bhagavad Saptaha, and 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. and also you may also watch our what is called live, and everybody will broadcast live, and Facebook and everything you can see. And my heartly blessing all to you. May Radharani and Srimati Radhika will give blessing to you, and Krishna will giving blessing to you. Gaur Premanande Hari Bolo. Bolo Shri Gurudev ki jai. Jai Shri Radhe Shyam. Thank you for your kindness. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Okay, today have you any birthday? If happy birthday, anybody's?
No, Gurudev. Gurudev, today no birthdays. I don't get the message. No birthdays today.
No, today no anybody birthday.
No.
Okay, no problem. Okay, my heartly blessing all to you. All you will chant holy names, especially 2 songs you have to sing. And one for Gopi Geet and a Brahmar Geet. You have to sing, and also the Sita Kamala, that is called uh, uh, Mangal Gitam. The 3 songs every day have to sing. Other sing also you can also have time have sing. 3 song you have to sing. Mangal Gitam, Sita Kamala Kucha, and Jayatite Udikang, and Brahmar Git. This also you can try to sing. Good Premanande Hari Hari Bolo. Jai Shri Gurudev ki Jai. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Now 5:30. I have to give Hindi class also. Because according to the rules, I am giving Hindi class. And so maybe after 10 minutes, I will start my Hindi class. So don't take my offense, anybody. I hope soon I will see to all to you. May Radharani bless to you. Don't forget me. And don't give up Guru or don't give up Harinam. This is your bhav. Good Premanande Hari Hari Bolo. Thank you, Hari Krishna.